Hello viewers, I'm an engineer Azam. My today's video is a conceptual one. This is too much important when you are in your practical life. So you should be aware of this question. So if you will continuously support with my channel and you guys will subscribe my channel, I will clear your concept because I did internship during my degree and I have worked at industries. So my goal is I'm making practical types videos. So these will be fruitful for you guys. First of all, I'm searching this question. When I get complete information about this question, then I will make a video. So this is a genuine video, so you should follow and support me. So please subscribe to my channel for new updates, for practical videos, and for enhancing of your skills. So let's start. The question is, what is the meaning of DYN11 in a transformer? So we will start. DYN11 means a vector group. So this means a vector group in a transformer. So when an industries, there is a nameplate, there is a vector group on the nameplate of the transformer. So this is the nameplate of a transformer. Have a look at. So now I will explain what is the vector group. Vector group. So it is being represented by two code letters. So these are the two code letters. So it is being represented by two code letters. So vector group basically means it is being represented by two code letters. Always remember, this is a too much important question, so you should know its basic knowledge. After watching of my video, you guys will able to give a proper answer about this question. So follow up these steps carefully. Don't miss a video. If you will skip a video, then you can't get a deep concept about it. So two letter, the first letter letter is for high voltage, and the second letter is called a lower voltage. After you when I will completely explain this topic, then you will understand what is high voltage and what is low voltage. I will draw the circuits and I will draw the phasor diagrams of currents and voltages. Then you will understand this concept. So for synchronization, so the group vector plays a crucial role for synchronization. So for synchronization of voltages and other things in transformer. So pause the video and write it down on your notebooks. DYN11 DYN11. So now I will explain what is D. D here means delta, or you can call primary winding. This is called star or secondary winding. This is neutral wire. And these are used for phase displacement. These two code letters are used for phase displacement of low voltage winding and high voltage winding. So in detail, I think so this is a conceptual question. I don't want to indulge myself into a detail, because you have studied in your theory, in your theoretical concepts. So you have studied in detail in your relative subjects like PSA, and I think you have studied this in machines, ECA, PSA, I think, and PDU. I think you have studied there. So this is too much important. I will address the main concept about this question. So now I will draw a diagram. So this is, I think, so I am connecting wires. You should know how to connect. This is a delta diagram. So this is red incoming and red outgoing. For example, I will represent R and R phase. Here Y incoming is Y phase, and outgoing is Y prime, and here blue incoming and outgoing is blue prime. So you can represent this A, B, C, D, E, F. It depends upon you. Now I will connect this to this, and this to this, at the end this to this. So this is a delta diagram. It is too much simple. Just you have to connect R incoming, and then outgoing Y prime, then Y to B prime, and B to R prime. So this is the complete circuit of Y, delta, sorry. Then I will also draw a Y over here. In delta, you should remember there is no neutral wire. So in industries, mostly use delta. If you will use star at industries, then there is no need for a neutral wire, because induction motor and DTC all are balanced. So if they are balanced, then no need to a neutral wire. So now draw same. This is impedance. You can take resistance. It depends upon you. Yeah, it will depend the nature of your load. So the incoming is red and the outgoing is red prime, yellow prime, same to same, blue and blue prime. So simply in neutral, there is a neutral wire available. This is not a rocket science. This is too much simple. So these are the connection. When you will work at industries, then you will draw these types of circuits there. You will encounter daily. You will encounter on the daily basis of these diagrams. So you should know these diagrams. So now also remember this thing, DYN11. So delta primary, delta will be the primary, y you should write in this way, or simply y as secondary with 30-degree lag from the primary. So y voltage or current will be 30-degree lag as compared to the primary one. So now I will explain. So first of all, you have to take any reference. This is a phasor diagrams. These are we have studied in detail. So I think you have studied also. If you haven't studied, then it is not a rocket science. It is too much simple. So you have to take a reference, means here we will take reference means the primary V1 and the secondary means V2. So I have written that secondary is lagging behind 30 degree. Secondary is lagging behind 30 degree in voltage as well as in currents. So here the primary current and the secondary current. Secondary current always lags 30 degree for the both cases. So this, I think you have understood the concept. Just you have to remember that there is a phase shift between the primary and secondary transformers. So this vector plays a crucial role. So it differentiate the phase displacement of high voltage winding and low voltage winding. If we will find out the any currents or voltages, then the phase angle will be there. If it will be current, then any type of angle. If it will be voltage, then voltage, any kind of angle. So phase angle will be there. We have studied these terms in detail in our subjects, so don't need to go there. If you haven't studied yet, so you should study. Then now I will discuss some applications. So now I will clear DYN11 is used. Keep in mind, this is also important. DYN11 is used for both three-phase and single-phase transformers. So DYN and the group vector group is used for three-phase and as well as for single phase. So this is also an important point. Now now mostly this vector group is used in three-phase transformers. So mostly this is used in three-phase transformers. So you have studied, I think, star to star connection, star to delta connection, delta to star connection, and delta to delta connection. So there are so these vector groups are used in every combinations: star to star, delta to delta, delta to star, star to delta. So you should study those topics as well. Then your idea will be clear. So this is a conceptual question, so that's why I am not going in detail. So yeah, I have discussed this in a detail because I collect data from many websites, from many I have read out research paper about this topic. Then after I'm making a video. So you guys should subscribe my channel. I am working hard for you guys, for your better future. And in Pakistan or in everywhere, if you are teaching something, then your channel does not grow well. Many people are watching an entertainment videos. So being an engineer, it is your responsibility to help me out and to support others as well. Those who are struggling to teach our students, they are the people who are genuine people who are sharing their knowledge and time for you. uh, because I'm not earning yet, and my intention is not only for earning. My intention is I want to teach you guys in a conceptual way. So uh, concept is a basic thing. If you haven't a concept, then you will never succeed at industries, so people will laugh at you there. So you should consider your concept while doing your degree. So concept is made more important thing than rather than your GPA. CGPA doesn't matter. So your communication should be good, your English should be good. Then after, now let's I will discuss some applications of this vector group application. So wherever transformers are used, so then DYN11 group will be there. On the nameplate of the transformer, DYN11 will be there always. So mostly transformer are used and distribution side, distribution, transmission, generation, high voltages, and everywhere when when you will encounter transformers, so the vector group will be used there. So thank you so much, guys. Once again, I'm requesting to all of you that please subscribe to my channel and please support me continuously. I will enhance your skills in this field in engineering. So being an engineer, or you are at FSC level, or you are doing your degree, so you should be proud to be an engineer, because they are the logical people. Thank you so much, and more power to you.